Alright, so what we're doing now is we're getting ready to mount the headboard to the frame, and what I'm doing now is I bought these 2-foot threaded steel rods because they don't make a bolt long enough to go through 2 pieces of 4x4 post, at least not that I saw at Lowe's. So I bought the threaded steel rod. We've got the rest of the hardware I'll bring out in a second. All I'm doing now is I measured it out from the board here, came out about 4 1/4 inch. The reason being is these 4x4s are actually 3.5 inch, so that'll give me almost 3/4 of an inch to add hardware. And if you come around this side, you can see that I extended it out underneath here, which it won't be a factor because it'll be covered up by the bed itself. So that'll be plenty of room to put nut washer and split washer on that side too as well. And then we'll do the same. I had to take out one board so I'd have room to get my drill, because as you see, my drill bit is not quite long enough to reach all the way through a 2x6 and a 4x4. So what I had to do is measure from the ground up on this side to come up to the bottom hole and the top hole, and then I did the same over here and measured up so that way when I drill from the opposite side that my holes would line up. So I'll have to do the same process over here, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But for now, more sawing, cutting this off, just using just a regular hacksaw. Just like that, and that'll leave me the rest of the room right there for the other side over here. So that side's good. Now I'll come over here, and what I'm doing, if you come around this side, I am relocating the 3-inch long deck screws a little bit more outboard here, and I will use the existing holes to drill for the threaded steel rod. I'm just kind of rounding it out. This is a 5/16 drill bit and 5/16 steel rod, so I'm rounding it out a little bit so it'll slide in a little bit easier. Here, I'll go ahead and remount the deck screws, keeping them in line, and just moving them inboard a little bit. And something else I may do is I may put some on the other side. Once I get the threaded rod in, I'll come on the other side and put 2 more here just to give it extra support, and I'll do the same on that side because these are pretty close to the end and I want it secure in this.